loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Christina Giselle and I share videos on motherhood and lifestyle. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a clean and undecorate with me for Christmas. I want to wish you guys a happy new year. Today is the first of the new year and I just want to get rid of holiday mess from last year and start this new year nice, fresh, and clean. So if you're anything like me and you want to just clean up and get that cleaning motivation to start your new year fresh and clean, continue to watch to the end so you can get all the cleaning motivation to do it with me. So let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm getting started in my living room. I live in a high ranch house, so most of the traffic and Christmas decor is in my upstairs area. I decorated my living room and my dining room mostly, so I'm going to be tackling that today in this video. The first thing I wanted to do is just start getting rid of all the Christmas decor that I usually store in these two giant bins that I got from Target, and they have like green handles, so I know that they're for Christmas. And I'm also going to just be picking up my daughter's little toys, taking down the ornaments, just doing it all and having Christmas come to the end. Oh, it's my favorite time of the year, but I'm not gonna lie, taking down all the decor is such a process. So I wanted to just get this done and handle it now so that way my house could be nice and clean for the remainder of the new year and new month. So I hope you guys are able to tackle this as well and that you get some cleaning motivation from it. So one of the tips I wanted to give you is that I actually store my fragile ceramic Christmas ornament in some old Christmas towels. So whether you're going to use them next year or not, they're really good in being able to just protect and store your fragile ornaments in the boxes and storage that you put it in, so that way you don't have to worry about them breaking. They have that extra padding if you don't have like bubble wrap or anything else to protect them. So that's definitely something that you should try out. So I don't know about you guys, but I have a toddler and I think anybody with a kid would know that you need to get like plastic bulb ornaments. So that's all I really have besides my personalized ornaments that I just showed you guys. So I keep all my bulb ornaments in this Pampers box. It's a perfect size to keep like my whole set. And also if you have like Amazon box or any type of box hanging around, I store all my bulb ornaments in there so that way they're easy to find and easy to store.
For you now, you got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me.
I'm curious, what kind of tree do you guys get for Christmas? Do you get a real tree? Do you get a flock tree? Do you get a regular fake tree that you use every year. This is my second year having this flock tree, and taking it down reminded me how messy it just is. It gets like snow all over the place. I love how it looks and everything, but it is definitely messy. And I always wanted to get a real tree every year, but with a toddler around and all the pine needles, I think it might be a little too hard to do, but maybe when she gets older. Are you guys excited for the new year? I still can't believe it's 2021. Even though 2020 was such a shit show, I really did have a wonderful time just being with my family. That really was the silver lining in it all, just being with my daughter and my husband and making our own little memories. Not exactly how we had planned, but just being together was definitely special. But I'm so excited for all the things that 2021 will bring for us, and I have so many goals that I do want to accomplish, because I just don't believe in making New Year's resolutions because I'll be over it in like a week. But setting goals just means that I'm able to accomplish things, not exactly right away, but just having small goals and big goals that you can tackle week by week and month by month, but without putting so much pressure on yourself as a resolution. So what's one goal that you want to make happen for 2021? I know for me, I definitely want to become monetized with YouTube. I really want to meet that 1,000 subscriber mark and connect with more of you guys, and I also want to get 4,000 watch hours. So if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and continue watching more of my videos, because YouTube really has become a passion of mine that I just want to continue and stay consistent with. So let me know in the comments what your goal for 2021 is. And just in case if you guys are interested in what I've been watching this whole time while I've been cleaning, is this show called Emily in Paris on Netflix. I'm obsessed. I binge watched it in like 2 or 3 days. I never really get to watch TV because of my daughter. I try not to do screen time, but since I was cleaning, I wasn't in the mood to listen to music, so I decided to binge watch this show, and it is just so good. If you're a fan of like Sex and the City or the show Younger, it's very similar to that, and I definitely think it's a perfect show for you guys to binge watch on Netflix. So definitely check it out and let me know what you think. So I'm tackling my dining room table this table has been my dumping ground. All those toys right there I'm actually going to be returning because I just realized that my daughter just got so many toys, and majority of it she really did not need. She was either too young or she got duplicates. So anyway, I do store majority of my stuff on my dining room table. It's definitely my dumping ground. I know everyone has it, and I think it's because it's such a big table, but I'm happy to be getting to put all my beautiful Christmas decor away and stored nicely. I do love this table. It's one of my favorite accent pieces. It has a lot of character, so being able to clean it and show it off just makes the house look so nice and clean because it is a main focal point. So I wanted to also let you guys know that this took me several hours to clean, even though it was just like 2 small areas in my home. You know, I had to eat lunch, my daughter needed a nap, but that's the thing about cleaning. It takes long, but after it's done, it's so rewarding. So I wanted to let you guys know that even if you're not able to tackle this all within the day, even if it takes you a few days, just get that motivation to actually do it because the end result is just so worth it.
Stay awake till the night is through with you by my side.
So I got a new area rug for Christmas that I've really been wanting. I believe I got it as a gift from my mom from Rugs USA, and I really love this rug, so I wanted to put this rug to rest because I've had it for almost 2 years now, and I just like replacing my rugs because I just feel like they just build up so much dirt and stuff, and I also just wanted a new rug to be able to brighten up the area. So as you guys can see, I'm just cleaning off the whole space so that I could get this rug out and show you guys what it looks like.
The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young.
So I needed hubby to help me get this rug out of this plastic. It was so hard to get it out, but I wanted to take it out and get it all like aired out and flattened because it's so flat and kind of has like a scent when you first take it out. So I was able to do that, and also the corners kind of like curl up. So I'm going to be putting like books and baskets on it to just flatten out, and I'm going to have my Roomba and vacuum it regularly so that way it fluffs up. But I really do love how it looks. Brand new, it's white and gray, and again I got it from Rug USA as a gift, and I'm going to be adding these pads that I got from Amazon. They're non-slip rug pads because this rug specifically did not come with a rug pad. It's like extra, and I really didn't want to spend the money because I did get these rug pads from Amazon for other rugs in my house, and they really do work good, and it's such a money saver. So definitely check them out. I'll link them below in the description box. And I'm just going to be putting out some regular pillows. It's the beginning of the year, so I just had some regular decor, no specific holiday, and I just wanted to keep it more minimal this year. That is like definitely one of my goals, to be more minimal and not shop so much. So I really like how fresh and clean it looks with not having so much out. And I hope you guys are motivated with everything, and this is the final outcome. I really love how everything came out, and I really love how I was able to just get it done in like, you know, a day and a half, you could say. And it really did feel good to just have everything look fresh and clean. And with that rug and everything being clean, I just felt like the space looked a lot bigger too. So I'm really looking forward to decluttering and cleaning the rest of my house. So definitely look for more videos coming next week and all the weeks ahead. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. So look forward to talking to you guys in the next video.